Greetings, colleagues. I'll try to be as audible as I can. Right here, what we have is a scenario whereby what we have in the schedule is different to what is displayed in our individual subject mark schedule, which appears to be a challenge. Um, this is how we are going to fix this. Firstly, you check the range of your term. The range of your term is updated up here. Once you memorize the range of your term, now let's simply observe how we fix this. This is Makena Amorelang, whose average now says 70 at level 6. And now the weights up there, they say the dates which they were processed were 24th of 07 and 2020 of 08. Now this is what is supposed to be appearing inside your mark schedule in terms of the schedule for the whole grade. Now let's go to grade 4, focusing on mathematics, and see what we get inside the schedule. This is Makena Amorelan, number 9, female, who's got 70 level 6. Now here we are. This is Makena Amorelang again. Let us focus on the subject, which is mathematics. As we can see, Makena Amorelang is having 52 with a level 4 in terms of mathematics. And then once you're done there, you can simply also check in the report card what is it saying for Makena Amorelang. The report card for Makena Amorelang, there we are. We see print the progress report. Report card, mathematics, we have a 52, which schools may query to say what is happening here. What is basically happening is that the task that possesses the other portion of the marks is outside of the range. So you get into your curriculum, you then simply get in there and then check that the date here is it outside of term 3. So you now just simply edit it, yes, and then you grade the proper date from the educator, and then you also tick the correct skill which was assessed during this particular exercise. In our case, let's say we were assessing whole numbers and also normal fractions, and then the date for this, it was written on the 27th of August. We say okay, we are done. Then we wait, we auto calculate. In your case, you will be getting the correct weights from the relevant educator, which will be referenced by the relevant curriculum advisor. Now we are done. We then simply go to capture marks. We save those marks again. We say yes, we say okay, we are done, then we go and maintain the report cycle results. As soon as we click go, we notice that for all the learners which the marks were impacting that much, that you find that their marks have to change. Now they have all changed. Now remember, our focus is Makena Amorelang. Makena Amorelang, we will get there. There is Makena Amorelang. We still have the 52, but it's in red to indicate that we are going to recalculate, and after a recalculation we shall get our 70. So we simply say save. Now it's recalculated. Makena Amorelang is now having 70 and also a 70. Once the recalculation has been processed, we then get to maintain the promotion decision. When we get in there, if the changes regarding maths has affected any individual learner in terms of a promotion decision, it will highlight in red and we will also change it. Now let's get back to our report cards to see if Makena Amoelang's marks have been updated to reflect the correct ones. Here we are. Let's zoom in. Now we look at mathematics. Makena Amoelang has now 70 marks. Let's check the schedule quickly. And remember, colleagues, this also affects your summary of results. So now we will focus on Makena Amoelang. Right here we have Makena Amoelang number 9, the ID number, which is the accession number, the date of birth. Then we row with Makena. Here is our mathematics. It is now updated to 70 level 6. So just make sure all activities fall within the correct term. But now at a second level, it will be very difficult for you to simply individually access each and every program of assessment to check for schools if all their activities are falling within the correct range for term 3 reopening and opening. So you would simply have to get a point of view where you can view this very quickly and then tell the schools to update them manually, and everything will be done correctly. Now, how do we go about this, colleagues? I have developed a simple query which can check how are the dates ranging in the background. um, this is how you simply do this. You simply do this how, for example, let's say I want to check in grade 4 because I have checked mathematics if there are any hold on, timekeep. Okay, my timekeeper is supposed to tell me. Okay, we have 4 minutes now, so I'm going to quickly indicate to you in the next video how we go about fixing that, but using the query which I have designed. Just in case we run out of minutes, I'm going to quickly show you how to now place the query where you want it to be and how it's going to be sent to you. It's sent to you in a form of a wait, so it's in a SQL format. So what you basically do is you get to your database. You don't need to get to your database in any other way. You don't have to display any table. So when you're in here, you simply open up your database. It would be like this. Then you minimize it, you minimize, then you get the document which I would have sent to you in Word. Then you open the queries. This is a query that is looking at activities and the task. This is a query that is looking basically only at the task. So let's start with the activities and the tasks. So you would simply say Word is open, you copy our first query, you copy, you minimize, then you get back in Access, you simply say create design query, you close it, then you view it in SQL, and then you paste it and you save it. Query 2 is fine, then you close it. Then you now go, you open the other query, you copy it, you minimize, you minimize, and now you open the database, you create, you design query, you close, you SQL view, you paste, you save. In the next video, I will be showing you how to run these two queries. Bye.